Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Ayan. So let's see, Pisces, what's up? You have Crystal. Crystal is healing. So yung iba sa inyo, you may be on a healing journey. You are releasing, letting go of your past. This is about purification rin, no? So maaring iba sa inyo, may mga cleansing kayong ginagawa. You are releasing that nega energies around you. And makakatulong rin yan for you na i-align nyo yung sarili nyo doon sa direction na gusto nyong tahakin. You also have Eagle. Ayan. Eagle is having your, yung parang ang pagtingin mo mas mataas. Ibig sabihin mas higher yung perspective mo. Ayan. Maaring may nagbabago sa perspective mo ngayon. Kung dati, meron kang victim mentality na may mga self-sabotage kang ginagawa. So ngayon, you are finally realizing na tama na, no? Tapusin na yon yung mga ganyang mindset. And ngayon, you are having this new perspective sa buhay mo na mas umangat, mas umunlad, at umalis sa isang situation that is limited to you. Uy, breath. This is about a new idea. A refreshing new idea. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring meron kayong creative ideas for your career, for your business, or para sa sarili mo. This is also about your pagpapahinga. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, part na rin ng healing, ng cleansing ninyo is yung pagpapahinga. It's like taking a break, okay? Taking a break from the chaos. Taking a break from a toxic situation. So, ngayon, mas magkakaroon ka ng clarity. You will be more inspired because of these new ideas na maiisip mo. O yung iba sa inyo, naisip nyo na yan. You are working on it already. Okay, let's see your overall energy. You have the 9 of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo dito, Pisces, parang gusto nyo nang sumuko. Pero, hindi kayo susuko kasi kayang-kaya nyo. Oo. Ayan, you have this strength. Meron kang sapat na lakas, okay? Para ma-overcome mo yung challenge na yan, ma-overcome mo yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon at i-let go na yung mga nagpapabigat sa buhay mo. Your challenge is the Hangman. So, yeah, this is perspective again. New perspective. So, maaring nag-iiba yung pagtingin mo sa buhay. Parang meron kang bagong inspiration. Pero, at the same time, kahit na may inspiration ka, kahit na parang may bago kang idea, kung hindi mo siya i-execute, hindi mo gagawin, hindi ka magte-take ng action, wala ring mangyayari dyan, 'di ba? So, ngayon, ang challenge sa'yo is kung paano ka aalis sa ganyang stuck energy. Okay? Whatever idea this is the right time na subukan mo na, gawin mo na. Okay? Kasi kung meron mang pumipigil sa'yo, yan yung magpe-prevent sa'yo from experiencing new things sa buhay mo. Your opportunity, you have the 4 of Cups. Meron kang opportunity na malaman kung ano yung importante sa'yo or kung ano yung meron ka. Kasi 4 of Cups is about parang feeling mo hindi ka na masaya, hindi ka kontento. But having this as your opportunity with the Ace of Cups. Kasi may isang cup dito na ino-offer sa'yo ng universe na hindi mo pinapansin. You are focusing on kung ano yung uh, wala sa'yo. 'Di ba? So, mag-focus ka kung ano yung meron ka kasi doon mo marirealize kung gaano ka ka-blessed. Mm-mm. So, speaking of blessing, let's see your blessing. You have the Queen of Wands. So, as a blessing, this is about leadership. So, maaring merong leadership role sa'yo ngayong February. Pwedeng sa trabaho yan, you will you will have a higher position. Pwedeng meron kang i-assume na leadership role. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng kayo mismo yung parang magli-lead sa inyong sarili towards your goals, no? Na hindi nyo nahayaan na kayo yung i-control ng iba. So, you are also going to be more focused ngayong February sa mga goals ninyo. And, magiging very creative rin kayo. So, kumbaga, you tap into your creative side kasi marami kayong talents. Marami pa kayong pwedeng patunayan sa sarili nyo. Ano tong no na to? Oh, if you're going to explore a place, pwedeng meron ditong delays, okay? Kung may travel experience kayo or opportunity kayo ngayong February, pwedeng magkaroon ng delay, but isipin nyo na lang na ito ay redirection or ito ay isang paraan para protektahan ka. You're going to be more connected to your instinct, to your intuition, seeing things clearly. So, when it comes to your decision making, mas magiging madali sa'yo na mag-decide what's best for you. You also have Fortress. So, this is, iba kasi sa inyo, Pisces, minsan matigas yung ulo nyo, no? Na, kung meron kayong gustong gagawin nyo, nang hindi nyo pinag-iisipan. Kahit na minsan sinasabi ng instinct ninyo na, uy, saglit lang muna, wait lang, ganyan. Oo. So, some of you naman, maaring merong co-creation, working with others, collaboration. You will be part of a group na kung saan you will share your knowledge, your skills sa ibang mga kasamahan mo. Pwede tong online group, no, na yung pareho nyong interest or yung goal ninyo sa grupo na yan, sa community na yan, ay magkakaroon ng harmony. Okay? Also have Claw. Be careful, do not take risks. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kung meron kang idea, yes, kailangan mo ring mag-take ng risk, pero dapat well calculated. Okay? Hindi yung tipong naisip mo lang, sige, go, push. Kaya nga, use your discernment. Involving the law, some of you, maaring you will be dealing with some paperworks, documents, pagdating sa government agencies, or pwede rin sa law, with the judiciary, no? Maaring may court cases. Good advice from a wise person. Yung iba, makakatanggap kayo ng advice sa isang tao na maraming alam. Pleasure with a close friend. So, pwedeng itong person na to na magbibigay sa'yo ng advice ay isang kaibigan na talagang totoo mong kaibigan na meron siyang magandang intentions para sa'yo na tulungan ka. Needs. Do you need more time to yourself, a break from thinking too much, a kind encounter with a friend? Your needs matter and it's time to honor them. Yes. So, syempre, kailangan din meron kang time for yourself. Oo. Yung iba kasi nagigilty pag meron silang binibigay na time sa sarili nila. Oo. Huwag kayong mag-guilty. Kasi kung deserve mo naman, why not? 'Di ba? Oo. Kung na-fulfill mo na yung iba mong obligations, responsibilities, then give yourself a break, 'di ba? Take a vacation or mag-allot ka ng araw na ito yung para sa'yo lang, or sa isang araw meron kang 30 minutes to 1 hour na nakafocus lang sa sarili mo. This can be learning or self-care, 'di ba? O pagbabasa ng libro, or just meditation, or and doing nothing, 'di ba? Okay, because it's going to be very helpful sa inyo. So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.